Hello everybody, welcome to Superior Trailer. We're located in Virginia Beach and today we're going to be going over our 2025 PJ D7 7x14 14K dump trailer. This trailer is packed full of features and it's also at an exceptional price value as well. D7 is a standout amongst the PJ lineup, not just for the functionality, not just for their quality, but also for their reputation. So let's get more in depth with this trailer. All right, and starting at the front, we have our easy latch coupler, the best coupler in the market. It's the easiest one to use. We have our 7K manual jack. This is built on a C-channel frame, and the trailer also comes with storage, so we can look at the hydraulics and we can look at the extra stuff inside. We have the tarp. We also have LED lights that's also on the side as well. We got stake pockets that also go across as well. This is also built on diamond-plated fenders. As we look inside, it has 2 D-rings, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. As we see here, you can see the barn doors. You can see the spread-out gates. See the LED lights. It's a very cool looking trailer. And as we make our way around, you got your spare tire mount that's on the other side. It has a 14,000 pound GVWR. It's built on a scissor lift. It has a 10 gauge steel bed, 10 gauge steel sides. It also has a deep cycle battery. It has a 110V integrated trickle charger, and its payload capacity is 10,340 pounds. This trailer has many features at an exceptional price point. Along with all our other trailers, we offer financing, so please give us a call or visit our website in which you can fill out our form and see if you qualify. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about this trailer, call this number down below or visit our website at www.superiortrailer.com. We have locations in Suffolk, Virginia Beach, Richmond, and Burlington, North Carolina. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you on the lot. Thank you.